Stephan Paech, President and CEO of Fives North American Combustion. For over a century, we have been at the forefront of industrial combustion and thermal process engineering, setting standard in manufacturing solutions worldwide. From advanced burners and industrial furnaces to installing and servicing comprehensive combustion systems, our reach extends across industries, including aluminum, steel, and 48 other markets. Our commitment to innovation drives us to deliver technology and solutions that enhance performance, efficiency, and reliability. Among these efforts is our proud contribution to national security, as we supply critical components such as burners and furnaces to suppliers for the U.S. Navy. Our work plays a vital role in supporting the nation's pursuit of freedom, security, and peace. If you're considering joining our team, the following videos offer a realistic job preview, or RJP, designed to give you an authentic view of what's like to work at Fives. You will get a look at your minimum qualifications, hear firsthand from our team about their passion for their work, and discover the day-to-day challenges and rewards that make Fives an excellent place to build a career. As we embark on this journey together, we invite you to share your interesting experiences, helping us understand how you might fit into our mission. So let's get started.